Yo. All right, today is March 18, 2025. Do my post market review of the charts. All right, so I took one trade today. Um, Computer crash afterwards. I took one trade. This is not it whatsoever. Mm, yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Oh yeah, I took one trade today. All right, so the market will open soon. I'm gonna have to fast forward this. I'll go faster. Let's put this at higher playback speed. All right, so I couldn't 10 times this because my computer shut down, lost power. So we had selling happening, but we also had absorption. So I was kind of looking to see maybe we can go long somewhere, but I don't know where exactly because I'm not seeing anything here that's saying that no buyers are in control, right? So nothing here interests me. I saw this here with the buying. I would like to see price push up and then come back and retest it. We had a lot of absorption going on as we're going downward. We had this absorption level here. I marked it. We came back down to it. Kind of repeat the same thing here. All right, so we had some levels that I was interested in, but levels weren't not being tested. So you can see price is moving lower. Let me see if there's a way I can speed this up faster. All right, price is moving lower on NQ. ES was trying to hold its ground. We're at an absorption level that's an hour long right now on ES, but NQ has just been pushing right through. Wow, I just noticed something. We got to buy, sell, retest. I want to go back and look at this candle right here. So let's go back and look at it. We had a buy, sell, retest. So let's look at that candle from the 5-minute perspective. That's really what it is. Buy, sell, retest. Boom, this one here, right? I think that's the candle. Default. All right, so we had a buy before the open, we had a sell after the open, we had a nice retest right here. Bam, 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 and then we broke below it. All right, so it's not really in the time frame, but price came back, retested this sell right here. Boom, bam, bam. All right, let's see what price looked like on NQ when it was doing that. So we have a lot of selling here. We got absorption right here. We don't have the buy. We have absorption. We have a sell. We got a retest of that sell. All right, so we get two back-to-back colors, which is interesting. So it's something to probably make sense of. So if we have two together, buyers try to step in, sellers step out. We get a pullback. We can probably enter right here on this break. Stop loss right above. This is a thought. No yet. Need to back test it more when we have two colors back to back. We have a buy and a sell, and then we take the direction of the next one. Or we have an absorption in the sell, and we take the direction of the next one. Kind of like how this is here. So boom, and then whoa, look at that. Damn, that's a lot. How many points is this? This is 8 points, and then we get about right in the first hour we get about 31 points. 31 points, and then okay, and then this is where I wanted to get another trade. I wanted to get a trade in. Okay, so something for me to look at. So absorption. So just on the 1 minute, I could just back test this idea. Just looking for two aggressive buying, aggressive buying failed by aggressive selling, and then reversal, right? So we had a buy, sell, retest, drop, right? Or absorption, sell, retest, drop. So putting sellers in strength. So we had selling here. So something to just use. We are in a downtrend. We below the cloud. So it's a lot of confluence there. We had this level here that I marked. I think I marked this before the open. Yeah, I marked it right before the open. So that level was pretty damn solid for a short. So I just couldn't make sense of it at that time. So buy, sell, retest. Over here we have a sell absorption, where buyers try to buy absorption, and then we needed to actually clear this. All right, this is too far, so I'll probably just take the retest here, clear. All right, this one has a double top, triple top, right? So go selling coming in. Sellers are definitely coming in. All right, cool. Let's get a retest back at these buys that failed. Here we go. Got a retest. Right. And then we'll get a break. And then boom, enter here. Stop loss right above. And then price just goes. Price just starts cutting through like it did not care about what you thought. This also is an absorption candle. Whoa. Did not even notice that. Let's go back. Alright. And then so that closed at the 5 minute. So this is an absorption candle. So this is a buy that gets absorbed by sellers. You can see sellers are stepping in, absorbing it, engulfing it, I would say. So it's a bullish engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, right? And then price just goes. All right. So a buy, sell, retest, buying, selling, retest to sell, and then exit right there. That's a pretty good amount. That's 10, 20 points. That's a good exit point right there. Boom. No need to be greedy. With that one, price does sell off more, but no need to be greedy with that one. So buy, sell, retest, solid, something to look into. I may be doing a little bit back testing of that in a bit. All right, so as the day was going, we do get like a bit of an absorption right here. I don't see anything here to back this buying up here. I don't see any buying here to confirm that. So I'm not interested in these buy right here, this absorption-ish candle. We still have strong selling, right? I did pull my charts over because I thought that, hey, if we can push up here to this level right here, which coincides with that one, I want to go short at 56.80. I want to go short at 56.80. We get to this little box right here. I wanted to see like a deep pull with a rejection and then rejection volume down here at the bottoms right there. We did kind of get close to it, and then we sold off, right? We sold off. I said, okay, if we can get back to that 56.80 area, it lines up right here. Let me go back. Hope I can show the line. Where I got the line from, right? Boom. We see how we have these wicks here, and then buyers try to step in, hit these wicks, and sellers caught wind of that and push price down. So we got this nice little wicks. So I want to see price come back up to that 56.80 to retest, and then I also drew it on NQ eventually. Because if I'm going to draw one-on-one, I might as well draw the other one. So there it is. So I drew the one on NQ. Same thing here where sellers took off. I want to see price come up to this little area here and sell off. So and I wanted to see selling volume. The volume has died out. Volume died out. We got buyers stepping in all around. Buyers here, 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 here. So this is the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. So the 15 minute has solidified. The 30 minute has solidified. The 1 hour is still building up. We come up to my level. I'm excited, but I don't get anything to be excited about. So I'm like looking. I said, okay, I saw that we have something here. I forgot what it was. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think it's just to show that we had we had a retest because I was trying to go long. I was trying to go long here because we had this little buy here, and you see we have a little double bottom, and we had buyers stepping in. I wanted to go long if price would nicely zipped down there and showed longs were interested. I wanted to get long, nothing here. Then I also wanted to get short up here. So on both sides, I didn't get anything. So we did have a nice little 10-point reversal. I would have been happy with just taking these 10 points and calling it right there. Um, I would have been happy with that. That would have been 50 bucks, 500 bucks, 5,000 bucks, 50,000 bucks. However you want to calculate it by multiplying it by 1 or by 10. So I took that screenshot. So then we got there. We do break fully out of this, but look how tight this is. So I'm not gonna sell right here. Doesn't make any sense. And then buying was right here. No, and then the buying wasn't very strong. So yeah, and the selling was just very strong. So we had all of this buying, and then 1, 2, 3 candles just destroyed it. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, over probably 20 candles just to get up to this, and then 3 candles destroyed it. Right? So that means that sellers did not want 56.80 to be breached, not one bit. We're at 10.50, still looking for a potential buy. I get a sell. I think at one point this thing was blue or something like that. I think I could be wrong, but I was looking for buys there. I didn't get anything. I saw volume. I saw volume coming in. I said it was selling. I said, okay, not interested at all. Price was just dump on me. Price. Then I got this absorption area, which is like, why do we get an absorption in the middle of nowhere? All right. So that was interesting, and price sold off even more. So I'm looking at this absorption candle like, why are you even here? That's interesting. I really wanted to see 56.80 get rejected, but now I have this another new level here. All right, I get this white here, we got the red here, I got strong selling here, the strong selling here. So I said, okay, this selling has to be validated. I'm gonna clear this up. It's 11:06. Around this time, I'm starting to get tired. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tired mentally. I'm just like tired of looking at the charts. I think there was a moment where I walked away around this time. I walked away from the charts to clear my head because fatigue was setting in, boredness was setting in. All right, so I'm probably back now. We got buying, 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 selling, buying, buying. I want to see. I marked this level eventually. Did we get the same yellow absorption candle on? No, we didn't. So 1, 2, 1, 2. No, we didn't get the same absorption candle, but we are at a level here. All right, so let's jump back to 11:30. All right, so eventually I drew that box. Okay, I drew the box. I saw that NQ was rising higher, ES was holding below that level of absorption. So I said, if NQ is rising and ES is holding, maybe this is now our new resistance level, right? Our new supply zone, where price is like, yo, I've set a new line now. So instead of 56.80, we're at 56.70. Okay, cool. Still waiting for this to go and retest. This doesn't have another level. Then the other next level is up here, but I did mark these 2 levels there just to see what was going on. I think eventually when we started reaching closer to that, we had some RSIs building. So I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for things to make sense. We got some selling here. Prices cleared all of that, cleared some of that. Had a buying here, couldn't sustain. Price is now further down, and then from there, let's look at that. From there, we do get a reversal candle, and I wasn't ready for that. So we had a buy, we had the selling here that stopped us. We had the selling here that got absorbed, but you can see price got all the way above it and cleared it. Right? Price cleared out of the selling on ES. On NQ. On ES it didn't. And ES it went lower. So now we get strong buying. I think we started getting a volume shift over here. Right? Okay, see volumes coming in, volumes coming in. Looking for it to turn to a buy. We're getting volume coming in. Volume coming in. All right, 10. So green buying, flashing. Volumes coming in on both sides. Boom, right? 12 o'clock at noon. Place are closing, so maybe I could have entered right here. We're above this level. Enter at 56. Stop loss around 50. About 6 points. Aiming for the 70 area here. 80 if we can. But this is our first headache. All right. Stop loss below that. That would be the plan. Right here would be the entry. And as you can see, price starts to hit that level again for NQ. All right, my stop loss would have been and back over here. Let's say for retest it and stop me out. Probably enter again right here. Stop loss there, a little tighter, and boom, level hit, getting RSIs there, right? 10 points plus probably 5 points, so 15 points right here, plus so 50 points right here, plus whatever this is, probably another 5 points, and would have been done after we get volume. All right, it's gonna show or RSIs. All right, I like this RSI, so probably we're done now. That would have been good enough. Probably would have been good enough for me. I would have just called it there. No need to be greedy. We retested that level. Call it there. So this would have been a nice reversal, but I didn't take it because it was noontime and lunchtime, and you know anything could have happened. But we did get the buying and the volume and everything set up. So where does my trade come in? At 38. Right? So give me some time. Let's just fast forward a little bit. 7. So we here we got we got a retest of this level. Price is pushing higher. We got okay, here it is right here. This is the same thing that happened earlier. We got a buy, and then immediately followed we got a sell. And then I think we start to see things start happening here, right? We get a sell. Oh, look, buy, sell, right? And we had that earlier this morning. Got a buy and we got a sell. Right? I didn't enter right here, which would have been nice to enter at 74 and stop loss here, which would have been about 6 points. I entered at 7D. So it would have been an extra 5, 10, 50, 20 points. Yeah. Sorry, an extra 4 points. So I entered after, but I wanted to see this buying get cleared. So this is what I'm working with. Look at that. So price struggles there. I like what was going on. We came back to that area. I like this. So then I draw my line here. Draw my line there. I want to see price get below it. I entered at 38, right? I want to see price get below it. We're holding it. I'm drawing my trend line. I'm stalking the heck out of this now. Looking, just stalking it. We're at 36. We're holding inside of this buy, so I'm like, okay, maybe buyers are in control. You know, cause we're buying here, but we do have, you know, a lot of strong selling here. If you saw the higher time frame, this is the higher time frame. This is strong selling right here, strong selling right there. So I'm just like, I don't think that we are going to go above that, right? Because we just had we had a ton of strong selling, and then we backed it up with that. You know, that strong selling that came. This is the backup right there, where price was like, yo, this is where I sold from. We have to actually get above that. So now we're breaking this. My alerts are going off. We're breaking ish. So I enter right here because we do get below it. It's not the best. and I questioned it. I said, shoot. After entering that, I do question it. This barely got below it, and I paused and I said, okay, well, I'm in this trade now. Um, risking about 10 points.
Order filled.
See, order filled. So risking about 10 points. Okay, I'm in this trade now. Nothing I can do about it. Okay. Oh, well, I could just exit. Right? Okay, I'm getting happy now. I see price pushing down. And then price reclaims. And then I get nervous. Like, what the heck? Right? We did get the selling candle. This is what we got. We got that selling candle from it. So that's why I entered that trade. We got the selling candle. Boom. So, yeah. So I entered the trade. That's why I entered the trade. Right? Now we're kind of like halfway between my stop loss and my entry. Right? Getting nervous because we never got below this. And here is where I think I should have entered, right? Here, right? At least this one broke the trend line. This one is outside of the trend line. So I could have entered right there at maybe 72-ish. Because after that, that's all she wrote. Price really started picking up speed. Paused right up here. It picked up speed. Paused right around the 65 area. I questioned exiting. I looked at this. I questioned this consolidation. I questioned this 15-minute. I started questioning a lot of things. And I said, okay, my stop loss is at break even. If anything, I just have a break even trade, and I get the fee that it costs to get in back, or whatever fee I was paying. At least I get the fee back, and a little bit more, right? So it's like $1 something, $2 something. I'll end up with $3. Well, no, just the idea. So I said I'm gonna at least get what I put in back to trade this, which is the fee, and then not my risk, but the fee, and then a little bit more of that. So now I'm just waiting. I see that I want to see if NQ can break this buy and go down to here. I really want to see ES go down to 56.50 because we're so close to it there. I thought that maybe we could break that. So price starts to speed up again. I move my stop loss here, I believe. Because price started to push down. And here we go. Price started to push down for real, for real. And then 52.32. I saw that we're getting the RSIs here. I saw that we're struggling at the buying. Okay, I said, you know what? Exit. If we smash through it, great. But I am not holding my breath. I'm not going to let 5 more points destroy this nice little gain here. This is at 54, right? This is a little gain here. Because price didn't break that on NQ. You know, it is what it is, right? I was hoping for some strong volume break. After I exit, price does strongly reverse all the way back up. Right here, right? That became a straight reversal after I exit. And that would have really crushed me. I'm glad that I respected this. We got a strong reversal after that. And then I lost power. So this is the reversal I saw, but I missed this part of it. This weird spike. I don't know where that came from. And price bounced off from there. And then this is basically it for the whole duration of the day. We can see that price came up there, showed signs of selling. So maybe enter here again and get a sell-off. We do get a little sell-off. I think price does go a little lower eventually. Go back up again. And we're just chopping around. Price does go above. It goes to that 50, that 56.80 level I was trying to get price to get to before. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, I want to see this level here. All right, so here we got the absorption. That right here. I think it's this buy. Is it this buy here? No, this is black. So here we get the absorption, right? We get the absorption on the 1 minute. We got that buy sell over here. So now we're trying to absorb it, and we see that this here is blue. So buyers want to step in. Buyers want to step in. I don't have my clock, so I don't know what time it is. And then sellers just say, no, we're not doing that. So sellers step in. Absorption here. We're getting below the absorption. Boom. So this is a potential entry right here. Stop loss right above 57 here. Stop loss above 80. Around above 80 right here. Aiming for these lows back down here. So it gives me a clear sign of potential entry. Let's see what happens after that. Right, okay, we got a nice little pullback. Now we got a little dark here, so we could enter again when price comes out of that, or come, boom, enter again right here, enter here, enter again right here. We break the trend line. We're still trying to aim to get down to the lower end of this, because it looked like something was left down here. Whoops, not liking this whatsoever. That's scary. What just happened, right? That would have freaked me the heck out. What happened here? So here we had buying into the absorption level. Not liking this whatsoever. I'd be a little bit underwater. A lot of it underwater. Cause that my stop loss would have been right up here. I would have been halfway through it. This would have been very deep underwater. Not liking this. Maybe I would have been out already. Hopefully, seller step in again. We absorbed. Let me see here. Yeah, we get white volume. Let's see. Yeah, here we got white volume. Saying that, okay, we don't want to go anywhere, so I guess the best place would be down. We do have a lot of buying here, but price hardly could get above that strong selling. So price does want to keep fighting. We got this fight going on. We do need to get below this to squash this buying volume. Do we eliminate it? Yes, we do. Well, yes, we are. Yes, we did. All right, so we can continue lower, more than likely. We are continuing lower, and we hit 56.60 and freaking bounce. And then we're getting in towards the end of the day. So that was pretty much it for the market. Didn't really see anything else after that. Alright, didn't see much after that. Alright, this is how it ended. So we had an absorption reversal. So this was a pretty good trade here, but that one here, I think I did the best trade was that for me. And then that buy failed that we had. The buy fill that we had early in the day. I like that idea. Right here, this buy strong sell. We said we engulfed the heck out of that, and then we engulfed it again afterwards. That's the trade. This one too kind of engulfed all of that, came back and retested. That's the trade. So something for me to look for. All right, that's it for me for today. I'll be back later. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is FOMC. I may not take any trades. We got Fed Power speaking at 2:30, FOMC at 2 o'clock. I think we consolidated so badly because of all of that. Trying to figure out what's going on in the U.S. market, and we'll see. Typically, I think we do get a Fed Power